Hello, how you doing? Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today, another kind of quick, easy, beautiful midweek pasta I'm calling this. Something you can knock up quite easily. We're doing chicken broccoli with a cream sauce. I'm using some fusilli pasta. You can use any pasta you want. It is lovely. Let's get on with it. Okay, let's take a look at what we've got then. So, one onion, quite a small onion actually. One decent sized chicken breast, no skin, no bone, cut it nice and thin. Some broccoli, cut them into little florets. Bit of Parmesan cheese. Garlic, tablespoon of garlic, teaspoon of oregano. 200 ml of cream. Now, I'm always going to get a lot of questions about this. It doesn't matter if you use thick or thin cream, like runny cream or thick cream, it will make no difference. I'm using a thick one here, and optional, if you've got it, it's beautiful, some fresh basil. We're going to start this off with some olive oil, add some salt and pepper, and of course we're going to be adding some pasta. I'll show you that in a moment. Okay, so I've got a pan here, olive oil. I'm going to start off by dropping in my onion, just on a above medium heat. To that we're going to add the chicken breast, no skin, no bone. Like I say, quite a decent sized one here. Cut into nice thin strips. What we're going to do is going to throw this around in the pan for about 4 minutes. I've no power. Look at that, absolutely beautiful. Next up, let's get in our garlic, our broccoli, a little bit of oregano or some other dried herb that you might want, some salt, and black pepper. And let's continue on this heat for about another 3 to 4 minutes. So easy, but so tasty. So if you wanted your broccoli to be cooked a little bit more, you could add a little splash of water in here and it will kind of steam it out, but I love the nice crunch on it. So here we go. We're now going to go in with the cream. Like I say, any cream works, thick or thin. Some Parmesan cheese. Some fresh basil. 2 minutes, moving it all the time now. It will thin itself out a little bit. Absolutely wonderful. If you want, you can pour that onto your pasta. I'm going in with mine and I'm using some fusilli. 2 minutes, moving it all the time, getting some of that lovely cream sauce onto the pasta, and I'll see you at the table. This is fabulous. Okay, and there you go. Absolutely delicious, super easy. Nice kind of midweek pasta thing. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, please. Do give us a thumbs up. That helps us out a great deal. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.